South Africa, South Africa, the day you've been waiting for is finally here. The Madlanga Commission is sitting in exactly 49 minutes from now. The first witness, the whistleblower, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, will be reporting to South Africa, will be reporting rather to the Madlanga Commission, and will be taking a stand, giving evidence as to his allegations. Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is our role model as he took a very bold step to whistleblowing and exposing the corruption and the infiltration of the South African Police Service by a criminal syndicate. He has implicated the Minister, Senzo Mchunu, the Deputy National Commissioner, Sibiya, and many others. We are rallying behind you, Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. We are praying for you, and we believe that justice will be served in this great nation. My name is Lunga Ngabashe. It's Butlu to you, and I will be reporting to you as everything unfolds. If you like this content, do like, subscribe, and please, let's engage by you leaving a comment. Thank you so much.